if your mechanic's wrong and it's not a costly hybrid battery module. Here are 5 hybrid issues that can trigger the triangle of doom. 5 is the sensor control module. It's normally located over here. This is one from a car that came in that had a code POA80 indicating a hybrid battery failure, and it had the triangle of doom on, of course. And you can see these 2 pins right here look kind of scorched, and that's what was causing the code, and none of the modules were bad. This one was even worse, and you can see there's more scorched pins on this one. I have not seen any of these pins scorched on this side. It's always been on this end, but it'd be good to check all connectors. The 4th thing is the high voltage cables that carry the 200 plus volts from the battery pack back and forth. And I don't know if you can see it here on the film, but this one, when you look down in there, you can still see a little bit of nice copper look. And this one, it looks really dark where it should be coppery looking. It's almost impossible to see down inside this part of the ends right here. But when you look from the back, I know off camera, it's pretty obvious that this is a nice copper look and that one is burnt looking. And the code is not going to go away without replacing this. And again, this was not, it had a POA80 and a red triangle as if the hybrid battery was bad. And this cable fixed it. The other end looks a little charred too. You can tell it's been hot. Number 3 is the sensing wires. Now the sensing wires can be bad in several different ways. You can see this one pulled some out of the module, and it's got burnt pins over here. So there's a couple of bad things here. And sometimes you'll see a crack in one of the individual sensing wires comes up and goes to the bus bars, or it'll be hot, like, well, that one looks really hot right there where it's crimped on. So that ain't no good. That's not going to be sensing correctly. That's just as bad as these burnt connections right here. So there's all kinds of problems with this set of sensing wires. And you only need one problem to set off that triangle and get the POA80 code. Right here is located the relay contactor voltage sensor. I've seen these suffer from burnt connections where the wires go in and where these wires go to the front of the vehicle for the inverter, and bad relays, any of which is a triangle of doom. And number 1 most common thing besides bad hybrid battery modules is the bus bars. You can see a striking difference between these bus bars, which are OEM, and these nickel plated updated bus bars. These are used nickel plated updated bus bars, and you see how much better they held up. They are nickel plated copper, and these are just copper. And they are really susceptible to corrosion and heat. These look like they've been blistered. These don't look much better. I hope this helps you. And if you need more help, I will put a link to my hybrid repair playlist in the corner and my Toyota repair playlist in the other corner. Thank you for watching. I'm Victor Sane, and this is Tigger the Shop Cat, trying to build a library of knowledge to leave behind. If you want to help, please put comments below or visit Saneauto.com. The subscribe button is right there, and then you hit the bell and it'll appear down here, and you hit all. To see links in the description of the video, look below the video. You'll see more, and then the description pops up. Make the description go away after you've scrolled through and found the links that you want. The X to hit like. This site contains affiliate links for which I may be compensated.